Alright, you all. So please don't hate me for this. This is a very quick unboxing of this Fitbit watch because I got to get ready for my my training in a couple of hours. But anyway, this is the Fitbit Sense. I know the Sense 2 came out. I think the Fitbit Sense 2 came out probably, I think it came out September 2022. This is October 2022. Today's the 19th, I believe. But anyway, yeah, this is the reason I got the Sense instead of the Sense 2 is because, you know, pretty much, well, it wasn't a big difference. And I explained the difference a little bit as far as my knowledge goes. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. Look, I already took the charge out. This is the charger right here. I tried to stuff it in there. Do presentation for you all, didn't work. So I'm just going to just keep it straight honest with you all. This is the little tab that came in the watch right here. So hopefully you all can see that. This is the Fitbit Sense box, you know. Make sure there's no codes and stuff on here. So yeah, that's it right there. Really quick, because I still got to activate this. Haven't covered the barcode. You know how you all right there get to steal my premium trial. Anyways, nice little presentation. It's really cool. It's gorgeous right there. So this is the watch right here. This is the watch. This is the band. This is the extra large band. Look like it came with, which is cool. I got a small wrist anyway, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that. I already charged this, so you see right here. See, it's not like mine. So it's touchscreen, but you gotta hit the side. It's gonna vibrate. There you go. So you see right there, it's 100% charged. I'm gonna take this out. See, there. Now I believe what I was saying earlier, the Fitbit Sense 2. This is the actual button that they have on a Fitbit Sense 2. This is the Sense 1. So when you tap it, it's touch sensitive. So it just vibrates. Yeah, so it just vibrates, which is cool. Again, it's not a big difference with the Sense 1 and the Sense 2. So I just went and got the Sense. You can do whatever you want. Literally, I just need this to be able to count like my steps, my macronutrients, heart rate, keep up with text and my calls and things like that. I don't need a smartphone to watch. That's not the kind of nutrition and fitness lifestyle that I have. I like to keep them separate because it just keeps me focused. So yeah, that's the band right there. Go right here. Quick start, download app, charge to 100%, sync with the app, any issues, learn more, kind of thing. Directions right there. Whatever this is. Pull this tab out. Welcome to the Fitbit family. Nice little presentation. You know, nice little presentation. Yeah, this is, I don't need the long band. That's too much, like for me. For my wrist. Again, I got a small wrist. Anyways, flip this over, nothing there. Yeah, hopefully you all, you know, if you all are debating about, you know, getting this watch, do your research. Honestly, I don't think that you need to have the Sense 2. If you want to go with the Sense 2, the newest of the newest, go ahead. I'll say, you know, for me, only time I upgrade like any equipment if I have purely exhausted that equipment and I desperately am like behind with an upgrade. I'm talking about I'm like 2 to 3 generations behind. But if you're a person that you like to have like the new stuff, new technology, for everything to be up to date, you know, do what you do. You know, but this is, I'm going to maximize this watch because this is the watch that God blessed me to get. At the time, you know, I got it. I couldn't really afford it because I'm refurbishing like everything in my nutrition and fitness lifestyle because I'm almost 30. Yeah, and this this nutrition, this mindset, this lifestyle. It's definitely something different. So anyway, like and subscribe. I'm gonna review this watch, and I'm gonna review my New Balances sneakers that I have in a different video. And yeah, let you all know my review. Like and subscribe, comment below. God bless. I'm out.